गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुर् गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः।
Ashar Purnima, better known as Guru Purnima, is approaching. Guru Purnima is the day to pay gratitude unto the Guru. The sacrifice of body, mind, and wealth has unparalleled importance in spirituality. Every individual finds it challenging to sacrifice the body, mind, intellect, and ego. Similarly, many others, despite their willingness, find it difficult to do so owing to their busy lifestyle. If such people sacrifice their wealth for good deeds, their spiritual practice or sadhana takes place. As per the Sanskrit phrase Sat Patre Danam, Shastra suggests that donations should be made only to the rightfully deserving. Truthfully speaking, there is none more rightfully deserving in the universe than saints and the Guru. On the day of Guru Purnima, the Guru principle is 1,000 times more active on earth. Therefore, the spiritual benefit of the seva and sacrifice performed on this day is 1,000 times more as compared to that of any other day. Sanatan Sanstha has been active for the purpose of the individual spiritual progress of seekers and for the spread of spirituality. This seed, sown by Sanatan Sanstha's founder, Paratpar Guru Dr. Athawale, has grown into a massive tree within a span of mere 30 years. Sanatan Sanstha runs several social programs such as lectures, spiritual meetings, Bal Sanskar Varga, etc. in addition to producing spiritual texts for educating the society about spirituality and producing a series of audio-visual content aimed at imparting education on Sattvic conduct. The organization is also conducting research work through the means of various sophisticated instruments with the motive of teaching the society the importance of spirituality. Hundreds of seekers have elevated themselves to sainthood, whereas thousands have made spiritual progress by doing spiritual practice as per Guru Kripa Yoga, as prescribed by Paratpar Guru Dr. Athawale. This has led to seekers living a blissful life that is free of stress, worry, and fear. The ashrams of Sanatan have thousands of seekers who have sacrificed their homes, jobs, and business, tirelessly doing seva for the purpose of spiritual progress and the establishment of an ideal Hindu Rashtra. God Himself is doing this work, but as a part of your spiritual practice, you can also participate in this work with the dedication and as far as possible. The work of the spread of spirituality, Dharma Karya, and the establishment of Hindu Rashtra is the work of Guru himself. In other words, it is the divine work. Donations made toward this work is akin to making donation unto the Guru himself. Make donations as much as possible toward the work of Guru and make yourself worthy of the Guru's grace. We are committed to utilizing every penny donated by you towards the work of Dharma and the nation. For more information, please contact 7058 885610. Our email is sanatan.sanstha2025@gmail.com. For making online donations, visit our website www.sanatan.org/en/donate. Tax exemption under Section 80G available.